Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix can't type search bar not working in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang select yung run. Ito yung tinatawag na run command, and then dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung services.msc, alright? And then ang susunod, i-click mo yung OK. Dito sa services ay kailangan lang natin hanapin yung Windows search. So scroll down, alright? And then dito sa Windows search, so double click lang tayo. And then pop up itong Windows search properties, yung pinakauna lang yung general. And then dito sa gitna ay kailangan mo lang select itong arrow na to, and then select lang yung automatic, and then click mo yung apply, and then click yung OK. Alright, so in the other option naman na pwede natin gawin, ay dito lang sa start menu, so right click ulit tayo, and then select mo lang yung task manager. Dito sa task manager ay kailangan mo lang select yung run new task, click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa kanyang create new task, so dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD, alright? So type mo yan, and then click mo tong box na to, so create this task with administrative privilege, click mo yung box, and then click mo yung OK. Alright, and then dito sa kanya command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung keyword command prompt na sfc /scan now. Alright, so isang word po yung scan now is sfc /scan now, and then press mo yung enter. And then hihintayin natin ito na mag-scan mga kaibigan into 100%. Alright, so makikita dito na verifications 100% complete. Okay, so ang next step na gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart ng ating PC. So, kailangan lang natin i-restart ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin ipipix yung can't type search bar not working in Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.